What's up, fam? Welcome to the MARLONated Mindstate. I am your host, Marlon C. Now, before we dive into today's crazy body cam breakdown, let's get the legal housekeeping stuff out of the way, shall we? I am not your lawyer, and this video does not constitute legal advice. We are analyzing this footage strictly for educational and commentary purposes under the doctrine of fair use. Now, today, we are reacting to a viral video from the channel Police Release titled Racist Sisters Meet Karma After Harassing Woman at Sam's Club. This is a masterclass on how not to handle a legal interaction. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And when you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so every time I drop a video, you will be the first to know about it. Let's hit it.
On February 7th, 2026, officers were dispatched to Sam's Club in response to a report of a physical altercation between customers.
Hi, are you guys having some kind of disturbance here?
Yeah.
What's going on?
One of the ladies, she's in by the cereal aisle right now.
Okay.
And one of the other members, I'm guessing they left already. So I don't see them.
Okay, where's the person who called? Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Here, let's get out of the way here. What's going on?
So there was a black woman and a high schooler blocking the way. Wait. And I said, excuse me. I go, excuse me. The kid heard me. He moved over. And then the one girl goes to me, you didn't say, excuse me, blah, 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 and started the shit with me. And I was like, yeah, I did. And she goes, no, you didn't. And I'm like in the middle of the aisle there and she's here.
This aisle here?
2 aisles over, cereal aisle. But like, I'm just right there and she's over here. And then she starts saying, I'm going to, who do you think you are? About just swearing and going on at me. Then she came over after me and physically attacked me. Like she came over, grabbed my arm, grabbed my hand, tried to take my arm back. These are like girls in her 20s. And then the other girl, and
This is the girl in pink that grabbed you?
No, the girl with her. The other girl with her is crazy.
What was
So
she?
the pink girl took the other girl off me, and I was by myself.
So the one in pink pulled the other one off.
damn.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. But she's
And
like,
then they just started walking off?
no, they were screaming and saying, you're saying all this racist. I didn't say one racist ever in a million years. Anything.
Never.
They're saying, then they're videotaping me. I'm like, I'm calling the police.
Were you
call the
injured at all
police.
during this encounter?
No, I'm
No, she
okay.
grabbed you,
No,
but-
I'm fine. I appreciate that. This arm just came out of a cast. Oh, that's the kid.
All right, let's pause this right here. Now, the victim is claiming she was physically grabbed by the arm by a woman in gray leggings. Legally speaking, guys, what is the difference between assault and battery? Let me know in the comments if you know. But to break it down, assault is threatening or causing the apprehension of harmful contact. Battery is the actual intentional offensive touching without consent. Now, the victim mentions her arm just came out of a cast. If true, that makes the battery even more egregious in the eyes of a prosecutor. Let's continue.
That's the kid who was with them.
Yeah. Hey, where's the young lady with the pink that was with you?
He was with
Hold on, come here.
He was with them.
What happened between you and this nice lady over here? Okay.
There they are. I'd be first.
Talk to you. So she's alleging that you guys put your hands.
He didn't do anything, but he was there.
What did the ones that jumped her have on?
They had on them little body, them little pink stretch pansy things, what they be
Like a
wearing.
bodysuit or like
like just the leggings, yeah, the leggings.
pink
You
leggings?
tell he's an OG because he said it's the pink stretch pants. He don't even know what they call. He ain't used to that. He used to women wearing real clothes out in public, not just some stretch pants.
Pink leggings, and one had on gray leggings. And it was three of them, but only one of them jumped on this lady.
It was the one that jumped on her. What was she wearing?
Gray leggings.
Gray leggings?
That's the second person that said she got jumped on.
Is someone here?
Oh, I'm right here. What's going on? What's going
Are
on?
you guys all together?
What's going on?
Here, let's step over there so we're out of the aisle.
What's what? Because there's a lot of people right here. Like, I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Okay, first of all, no one said that. Apparently,
She did say that. How you gonna say she didn't
well,
say
I
that?
haven't talked to her. Yet.
Okay, so how you gonna say
Alright.
she didn't say that
Well,
though?
I didn't say. I
That's your
didn't,
first thing you say.
Okay.
She didn't say that though.
did I say that she said it, or did I say no one said that? Okay,
so you just said she didn't
how
say
about
that.
this?
That's
I
what
didn't
you
say
just said.
she.
Yes, you did.
So how about you
Okay,
bring
so
it down a
what's
little
up?
bit?
What's up? What's up? What we doing?
Security guard pointed you out. I guess you guys were
Y'all
involved.
see she came over with attitude. Just remember that.
Physical
We see that a
altercation.
lot.
Okay.
It wasn't run the cameras back.
What?
Run the cameras back.
How am I gonna run the cameras back if I'm
Well,
still here?
ask them. Can y'all run the cameras
So,
back?
I need your ID
I
first?
don't have an ID. Sorry.
Okay, what's your name then?
What's my name?
Yeah.
Beyonce knows.
Okay, do you have anything saying? So,
You said what?
do you have any paperwork or
No.
any?
Did she just tell? Did she really tell law enforcement that her name was Beyonce Knowles. Let me ask y'all a question. Do you think you legally have to hand over your ID to a cop just because they asked for it? Let me know in the comments below. Now, here's the legal reality, y'all. It depends on your state's stop and identify status. However, even in states without strict stop and identify laws, when an officer is investigating a reasonable suspicion of a crime, like a physical battery that just occurred, you are generally detained. Falsely identifying yourself or refusing to provide identifying information while lawfully detained can trigger a separate charge of obstruction or failure to identify. Let's continue.
Sort of ID.
Sorry.
Okay. What about your
You want to take me
membership?
to go get fingerprinted? You can do that too if you want to.
I mean, if we could go that route, we could go
No,
that
because
route.
that's pissing me off. She's fucking lying.
Do you have your ID with you?
I don't have who touched her?
None?
Who touched
Okay.
her?
So look at the video. Yeah, you'll see her. But it was my arm that broke.
And she grabbed your arm, you said?
Yeah, she did.
Can y'all run the camera? Y'all don't have a way to run the
You
cameras
can
back?
run
Yeah,
the
here,
cameras
check my
back.
phone real quick. Oh, the camera's
Hey,
off.
okay, I want to talk to you. Can I talk to somebody else, please?
See,
Can we?
if you come at me with the same amount of respect, then I'll respect
So
you.
you see,
Get
I'm with the cop on this part because they came over talking to him with an attitude, and then this heifer came and said she was Beyonce Knowles, being sarcastic, not want to give an ID, got an attitude with the police. So the police said, "Okay, I looked at my phone died. I can't look at the camera now. Can we talk?" And then she said, "I don't want to talk to him now." So what if he would? But that's probably what she wanted him. What she did is what she wanted him to do. She wanted him to say, "I don't want to talk to her. Let me go talk to somebody else." See, that's that emotional bullcorn that's going to get one of these women in trouble, and I'm probably thinking that it's going to be the one whose face is not blurred in this video.
I know. Okay.
And you said she didn't say
And
that.
words are words.
I don't give a. It's,
Words
I don't care.
are
Don't call
words.
me no
Words are
slow.
words. You know how many times I get called shit?
You right.
Hold on,
Words
real
are
quick. And he did not say that the woman, he did not say that she didn't say something racist. He said nobody is saying that right now. What he's trying to get to, blank, 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 blank. But she said she did say that. He said, "Okay, I haven't talked to her yet." But then she said, "You just said that she didn't say anything racist." He said, "I did not say that." See, so it's like the emotions, once emotions get into arguments and conflicts like this, that's when people hear what they want to hear, and people are like quick to respond instead of listen. You know what I'm saying? Quick to attack instead of like listening to have a dialogue.
You right. You right. But did I touch her?
No, you're right. I get called.
No.
I get called away. It's fucking derogatory terms to my race.
We've been through some shit. It's Black History Month, so of course a white honky gonna play with us because it's Black History Month. Of course, they're mad.
What?
They're mad.
History Month.
See, that's not helpful.
heck?
All right.
Really?
Do you mind? Would you be able to help me kind of get them calm down? Would you be able to do that for me? Because she's like not even happy that we're talking to her, and we're just trying to do our job.
She grabbed it here hard, like real, not light, like really hard. It was like pulling around.
Okay.
I wonder.
Yeah, right there's her nail scratch. You see it right there.
I wonder if that's her husband.
So the one with the reddish hair is the one who grabbed you?
Her husband or
Not
son.
the one in the pink, but the one with the reddish hair.
Yeah,
Okay.
she's wearing the pink hat.
And what would you?
Like
Okay.
you could see.
I got a question for the fellas. If you were in a store and somebody attacked your wife or your mother, how would you react? Let me know in the comments below.
Help you out
Well, what could we do? I mean, I just got tapped.
today. Okay. So did you take pictures of her arm?
Yeah, you could see the nail scratch.
All right. So basically, her putting her hands on you is a battery.
Yeah.
Right? So
I want to file charges.
Okay. All right. So we'll need you to stick around so you can sign the form.
Hit me with her card, and all I said was, "You can't say excuse me now." Stop recording me, weirdo.
Who recording?
Okay.
Okay.
I can record too.
It's fine.
I'm
You guys
right
are being recorded right now.
That's fine. I'm on camera. That's fine. But a civilian, whatever they want to call me, don't record me.
What you recording for?
Well,
You got your shit on it. Like, what are you recording
Ma'am, do me a
for?
favor. Can you talk to me and tell me what happened?
I don't know what happened.
Okay. Well, I need you to stop moving around. You're detained right now. Okay.
I'm detained.
Yes. So what happened between you and this lady
Nothing
over here?
happened. She bumped my sister with her cart. My sister
Okay.
said, "Ma'am, you can't say excuse me." She said, "I did fucking say excuse me." She get to talking stuff.
And I said, "Don't say excuse me."
And she did say excuse
Real
me.
quick, for a generation that loves to be on their phone and record, I'm sure she probably got 3,000 pictures in her phone right now. And yet you got a problem with somebody recording you. I'm confused in a public setting.
And I said, call.
So you
She
said
got
excuse me to
she
her?
got in my face. She got in both of our faces talking stuff. She grabbed my hand and bent my fingers back. I never touched her. So she the same too?
Yeah, well, she's there too, and we're trying to put it together. So you're saying, so you're alleging that, as you guys are saying, excuse me, just over this aisle dispute, she pushes your fingers
She
back.
hit her with the car. She already, she had an attitude because me.
But she physically touched you.
Yeah, she physically touched me and physically hit her with her car. The camera will show that. She got upset because we was already standing right here. I didn't know she was behind us. So she excuse me, and I'm like, okay. I'm telling my little cousin to move over.
I'm having a hard time hearing you over here. Can I talk to you over here?
Yeah, I really don't even know why she called the police. My thing is, she started the confrontation. All she said was, you didn't say excuse me. That's it, that's all.
Was there anyone that you see standing around us that saw this, that isn't involved?
I don't know nobody in the store.
But did you see like anybody here?
No, I'm not sure.
So here's the issue that I'm having, right? I'm gonna level with you. So she's alleging that you grabbed her by the arm.
Okay. All three of my kids, I never touched her.
Well, okay, but that doesn't help.
I never touched her.
I understand. So what we're having here is a problem where she's alleging you touched her first.
That's why
however,
you're
now I'm
saying
talking
you
to
got
you,
three
right?
kids.
And I said, ma'am, don't record me. So when I put my hand right here, she grabbed my hand and bent my fingers back.
Okay.
Yes,
So she like pushed them back?
She bent them back. She took my hand and went like this.
Okay, and this is when you were recording her?
She was recording me.
She was recording you?
Yes, and I said, all because she said you didn't say excuse me.
So you put your hand up to tell her like,
I never
hey,
touched her. This is how close
and so
was.
she goes like that to you?
No, she took my fingers. Look, take my fingers, and she bent them like that.
Okay.
I never touched her. Never touched her.
Did she leave any marks on you from this encounter?
Yes, she did. She bent my fingers back. She bent them backwards.
She bent them backwards?
She did like this.
Do you need medical attention right now?
Not only medical attention, but I never physically touched her. Like, I don't even know if she touched her. Don't know her.
You've never encountered her before?
Never know.
Never
It's
seen
the
her?
fact that she got upset because she said you didn't say excuse me. Well, she did not say excuse me. She started mocking. Then she called my little nephew a woman.
This woman right here. This is
Well, again, what people say, right? It's it's when things get physical that problem. So here's what I'm gonna try to do. Okay, I'm gonna try to get the staff to help us find footage of this because again, you guys are alleging. Again, I understand. I heard you out. Okay. At this point, I can't really say one way or the other. All right. She's alleging you touched her first, and you're alleging she touched you
I just
first.
want to get my stuff
So
and go home.
I understand. We're gonna try to get this done as soon as possible. So do you have any form of ID with you?
I do not.
No. Okay. We'll take your name. I'm gonna have staff.
I don't want to get my name because I just feel like this is not fair. Like I have other stuff going on. Okay.
Okay. Well, we heard you out too, right? So when we have an allegation that something got physical, right now we need to investigate it.
What got physical?
You told me she physically bent your fingers back.
I never touched her.
I'm not asking you about that. You told me she got physical with you, right?
Yes, you recorded me without my permission. You put your phone in my face. I felt threatened. So yes, I put my hand right here and said, "Do not record me." I never.
So she said that she felt threatened when the woman put the phone was recording her. Right now, this is a massive legal gray area people get tripped up on all the time. She claims she felt threatened because she was being recorded without permission inside Sam's Club. Quick question for you guys. Do you have a reasonable expectation of privacy in a crowded Sam's Club? Drop your thoughts below. But the legal truth? No, you do not. While Sam's Club is private property and can tell you to stop recording or kick you out, civilians can legally record in public spaces or commercial establishments open to the public. When the suspect puts her hands out to block the camera or swat at it, that action right there can be legally construed as the initial act of battery. You cannot physically touch someone on their property just because you don't like being recorded. Let's continue.
And that's when she grabbed you.
Yes, and she grabbed my hand.
That's what I need to investigate because if she grabbed you, now I need to arrest her. So you're saying she touched you first, and she's saying you touched her first. Do you see the problem?
I put my hand right here. So she
I understand. I heard you out, right? All right, miss. What's your last name?
I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this.
You're in a bit of a bind, okay? Because she's alleging and she's being cooperative, right? You understand what I'm telling you? Tony,
nobody touched her.
Can you try and see if we can pull up footage if they have a camera up there?
When I was on the phone with the police station saying there's two. It was all on 911.
Yeah, that's fine. The 911 call
is not racist, you know.
I get you. Do me a favor, just hang out over there.
Yeah, but I want him to know that.
Okay, I'll let him know.
Hang on with her for 1 second. I'm gonna see if you can get her name because we know that she put hands on her.
Yeah, I'm gonna add DS because they like DS.
We don't want him to stay with us. We feel like he's racist.
You can't. You gotta stay
He
here.
didn't say me. He said
Both
her.
of you guys are detained. Both. I'm telling you, you're detained. Listen, You're about yay close to going in handcuffs. You are detained. Stay here. I'm advising you. You are detained. I don't care if you don't want me here. You are detained. Detained. Okay.
Rodriguez 263.
Yes, ma'am. You are detained.
I'm not detained.
You are. I'm advising you. You're detained. You want me to put handcuffs on you? I'll put handcuffs on you.
Detained. I've been to jail.
It's not detained.
So that's
when you go in handcuffs, it's possibly you're detained or arrested. You are detained.
See the attitude, still attitude, making it worse on you and your homegirl or whoever it is. But she says, "Oh no, I'm not detained, folks. You don't get to self-select out of police detainment." Now you look at how the officer is handling this. He explains that because she refusing to give him her name, he cannot verify her side of the story or look up video footage. Legally, if one party is completely cooperative, has physical marks on her arm, and provides a consistent story, while the other party refuses to give a name and argues, who do you think the cop is going to arrest? The law operates on probable cause, and by withholding her name, she completely destroys her ability to be treated like a victim.
I'm advising you. You're detained.
You doing? Stop it. Stop it.
Do you see anyone showing around that would have been an independent witness to this?
No.
But obviously, I mean, I would
No,
talk to your husband,
because
but he's gonna take your side because they have witnesses too that are taking her side. You see the problem?
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, we're trying to get the store's cooperation on that.
No, they came. She came right after me. I'm not bending any fingers, and I'm not touching any fingers.
Okay.
She scratched me here under my coat. She grabbed my arm so hard and scratched me.
Okay.
Pulled my arm back.
We're gonna try to get this video. Did you happen to see if there was cameras facing that aisle?
No, I'm just
okay.
So I guess you're saying it's a new system, so we're not gonna be able to get footage.
They're not gonna be able to get footage?
Not today.
I don't have time for this. Like, I don't want. I'm just.
We have to document everything regardless, right? So I already got her.
Listen, at this point, she's been more cooperative. She's got marks on her arm, and you don't even want to give us your name.
I never touched her, so I don't know how she got
I
marks on her
understand.
arm.
You are-
I never touched that lady.
Okay, that's
Now
fine.
I'm not giving you my name because now I feel like y'all purposely doing this to try to accuse me of some shit that I did not do.
I asked you, didn't I? I asked you what happened, and I'm like,
You
okay.
said this got marks on
And
her arm.
now-
Like, I did it. I never touched her. What about my arm? What about my hand?
I asked you if you
I
had
got
any
marks on my hand.
Okay, well, like she's got marks on her arm too.
I never
So
touched
if
her.
you're telling me that she put hands on you, and you're my victim, but what is your name? You're not giving me your name, right?
Makes sense to me.
So what are we doing? Why are you? What's going on? She said that
Well,
somebody hit her.
she's alleging that lady put hands on her first. Okay.
But first of all, the lady said that I hit
However,
her. She said that he hit her.
Exactly.
So who hit her?
Her story so messy. She don't know who hit her. Who touched her?
She said you specifically.
Can you
and that
stop recording? Because this ain't shit to record.
People can record you. And, like, yeah, sure they can.
Okay.
Okay, listen.
It don't matter.
Listen.
Recording.
All right.
My uncle's on his way anyway. He's a sheriff.
All right. If you're my victim, I need your cooperation, and you're
No,
not being
because I know what
cooperative.
y'all trying to do here. I did not
What am I
touch
trying to
that
do?
lady, bro. I did not touch her.
Okay, that's fine.
I don't want to go to jail. I did not touch her. Why would I touch her? I don't even know that bitch.
Now she
I'm
don't want
asking
to go
you
to
for your
jail.
cooperation, and you have given me nothing. You won't even
I
give
did
me your
just
name.
cooperate.
Thank you.
I just told you what happened.
Okay, so I need your name if you're my victim, right? You're alleging she put hands on
But
you
y'all saying
first.
she's a victim.
She, of course,
Real
she's
quick,
gonna
this
say,
is why I always say you have to understand and know the law, because I was watching Judge Joe Brown a few days ago, and many a times he has talked about like what do you call it, like a hate crime bill, which a lot of us want, feel that we need due to like FBI statistics. But he talks against it and talks against other things that people may demand, because give it about a decade and it'll be used against you in the same manner, and then you really don't have a leg to stand on. So in this case, like if she understands the law, what he's saying is true. Might be using it against her. Like the same argument she's making, the other woman is making. But you got to understand the other woman is being cooperative, giving her side of the story, whether it's true or false, nobody knows, and gave her ID and sticking to the story. These two young ladies, their problem is they are combative from the beginning, giving false names from the beginning, didn't want to give the whole story, had that attitude. And so now police have been doing this for a long time. Again, who do you think the police are going to believe? And so now he's like, okay, first you were saying that, the other woman was a victim. First, the other woman was saying she was a victim. You were just upset saying, I never touched a woman. Okay, so now you're trying to play or claim to be the victim. Well, the same thing that was done for that other woman who's claiming to be the victim, now it has to be done for you. That's law. That's equal in the law. The problem is with these two, especially this one, she knows or has a good feeling that once he gets her name, something is not going to be right with her. That's going to be her downfall. That's what she sees. So it's like their best bet should have been to walk about that store. I don't know why they didn't think that this woman with this, I don't know if it's a real fur coat or a fake fur, but I don't know why they didn't feel that this woman in a fur coat, this older, I'm just going to say older white woman in a fur coat was not going to call police when y'all had a physical confrontation, because you know these older people, they ain't got time. They either gonna put you down or they're gonna call law enforcement. Anyway,
she's the victim. She's the one who called.
All of us hit her. Now she's trying to narrow down to she just.
Well, I tried to explain to you what you said, but you keep talking over.
You ain't getting to the point. So why you trying to say anyone?
You
talking about my uncle on his way. He's the sheriff. So when he get here, we'll get to the bottom of it. We'll get to the bottom of it.
He's the sheriff. Everybody got law enforcement in their family.
I need you to turn around and put your hands behind your back. Okay? You're gonna be placed. You're gonna be placed into custody for battery. Okay, so I need you to turn around and put your.
She never touched her.
I need you to step away.
She did.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
Okay, I'll give you my name, sir. I did not touch it. Can y'all please believe me when I say this?
Put your hands behind your back for me.
Okay, what did you think was gonna happen?
They didn't run no camera. This lady is sitting here lying. She never touched this lady, bro. Give me your phone and stuff. Can I get her phone and stuff?
Swat in my head one more time. You're going to handcuffs.
Touching me. You're touching me.
Back up. You are interfering with arrest.
Don't grab my hand. Don't grab my hand. Stop resisting. Stop.
I'm not scared of you.
That's fine.
I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of you. You don't scare me. I'm not scared of you.
Fine.
So what's up?
Fine.
What's up? I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of you.
That's fine.
I'm not scared of you.
No, y'all cannot take my phone. I'm not resisting.
You need to let go of your phone.
Why? No.
You are in custody. What?
I'm not
going to I'm going to stand here.
Yeah,
I'm just stand here.
I bet.
Guess what? Because I'm just stand here just as much as you can.
I bet. Yeah.
Still not doing anything though, right?
Next.
That's right.
Why would I touch you? Why would I touch you? I did 6 years in prison for touching y'all. Why would I touch you again?
That's something to flex on. That's something to flex on.
Yeah, it's a lesson learned. Know the difference.
Oh, 6 years in prison. Yeah, it's all starting to unwind and make sense now.
I'm not resisting.
233 times one in custody.
I ain't did 6 minutes in prison.
All right, babe, watch this. When y'all let me go, I'm going to tell y'all last something.
Okay, sounds good. Keep saying that on camera.
I don't give a fuck. Y'all ass going off hearsay.
Yeah.
Y'all didn't even run the cameras that bad. Bitch. Y'all hurt my arm. Y'all.
Now she's driving. See?
We're not doing this.
Y'all hurting my arm. Y'all hurting my arm.
Stop tensing up.
I'm not. Y'all making me sick. Did I hit that lady? No. Exactly.
Well, where's your witnesses? When we
right there.
I asked you for cooperation.
I didn't know where they was at.
I asked you for cooperation. You wouldn't even give me your name.
It's too late now.
So this is where we're at now.
Bro, this shit lame as bro. I did not touch that.
Okay. So it's not up to me to decide, right? It's up to a judge.
That's weird. I got 3 kids at home. My baby is sick as a dog.
Well, I'm sorry, but that's
Please.
not my fault.
No.
Stop.
I'm not.
Squad, get back inside. You're under arrest. Put your phone.
Shoot me.
Really?
You kicked me in the face.
I didn't try to.
Kicked him in the face.
Kick me in the face.
I didn't try to, sir.
Put your leg inside.
Can I please talk?
Put your leg inside.
I have a newborn at home. Please, I didn't try to kick you. You hurt
You
me.
just kicked me in the face.
I apologize.
You just kicked me in the face.
I apologize.
Put your foot inside.
Can I talk to you though, please? Don't touch me.
Back up.
Don't touch me.
Back up.
I'm not. Don't
Back
touch
up.
me. Don't
Back
touch
up.
me. Don't touch me.
Back up.
Don't touch me.
Back up.
Don't touch me.
Back up. Back up. That's fine.
Back up.
I wish he would. I wish he would.
Watch.
I'm trying to run out.
I did not hit that lady, bro.
Bend your knee.
I did not hit her.
Bend your knee. Stop.
No.
Gee, they in the car hitting her with batons and shit.
No, they're not. They're not.
They're hitting her.
Not even macing her.
They're hitting her. They're hitting her in the car.
I didn't try to kick him. You did kick him. I didn't try to. You kicked him. Let me go. You hurt my leg. You break my leg.
Still fighting.
Who's car? Take her.
Shut your ass up. Shut your ass up. You ass. I bet you want to talk like that. I bet you want to talk like that.
Come on, come on.
I bet you want to talk to me like that.
Just go. Go ahead, walk home. Walk home. Walk home.
Why? I didn't even touch that lady, bro.
Yeah, well, now you touched her and you kicked me and you kicked my partner, so.
Sorry, I did not try to kick y'all.
Good job. You turned a misdemeanor into a felony.
Well, the officer took the words right out of my mouth. Now, let's break down the final legal consequence here. A simple store battery is typically a misdemeanor. If she would have just cooperated, given her name, and let her attorney handle it, because what do we say? You fight it in court. You don't fight it out on the streets, right? But if she let her attorney handle it, she likely would have walked away with a citation or a minor charge. But the moment you resist forcefully, flex a past prison sentence like a homegirl did, I did like 6 years, stuff like that, and physically strike or kick law enforcement officers, you cross into assault battery on a peace officer. In almost every jurisdiction, this is a straight up felony. Let's conclude.
Sorry, I apologize. It was a replay.
Yeah.
The woman was charged with battery and assault on a peace officer.
Man, ain't that crazy? Okay, so at the very end of the video, text confirms she was officially charged with battery and assault on a peace officer. What do you guys think? Did the cop handle this legally and fairly? Or do you think they escalated it too quickly? Let me know your legal opinions in the comments below. If you learned something about your rights and how battery law works today, give this video a thumbs up. Till next time, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Those 4 things cost you maybe a couple of minutes out of your day, but it means the world to us here at this channel. And with that being said, I leave you in peace and love, and I'll see you on the other side.